Okay, so this is a search volume for this keyword, screen recorder for PC. You see search volume every month, about 50,000K, 110K. So many people are searching for the screen recorder for PC.
This video is sponsored by ActivePresenter, an AI-powered platform for interactive e-learning presentations and quizzes. Besides the clever AI assistant, ActivePresenter is unique in the AI market for the various built-in interactive questions and detailed report tracking ability. Sign up now and explore many other superior features of ActivePresenter AI.
So I think it's a good keyword to make a new video for you, because I've been here on YouTube for about 8 years and most of my video are screen recording. I use different tools and different screen recorder to record my computer screen, edit my video, and then I can publish it to YouTube. So today I will show you 2 best screen recorder for PC you can use without watermark and without time limit, stuff like that, and you can use it for your Windows PC and Mac OS. Okay, so believe me, these are the best screen recorder you can try in 2026. If you want to use any of them, just go ahead to the link in the description, and I'm using them too. So if you have any question, just let me know at the comment section. Okay, so the first one, if you just want to find a good screen recorder to make a tutorial video, or maybe just record your computer screen together with your webcam and audio from your microphone and system sound. So this is the first screen recorder you want to use. That is OBS Studio. Okay, so you want to go to obsproject.com, and it is available for Windows and Mac OS and Linux. So it is open source, so it is completely free to use, and it is more powerful than other screen recorder on the market. Added to that, you can live stream with this software too. And currently I have OBS Studio on my computer. But if you don't have, you can just go to obsproject.com and then click Windows. It supports Windows 10 and 11. I have no idea about Windows 12, by the way. Maybe after Windows 12 release, it will support Windows 12 also. Okay, so go to download and download the installer for Windows. And currently it is version 32. So I already have it on my computer, and the installation is very simple. You can just click and yes, stuff like that. So let me open it on my computer, OBS Studio. So this is my screen recorder. So this is my first recommendation, because it has no watermark on the output, and you can just record the screen and you get the file and you can upload it and share it. So this is the user interface of OBS Studio. It looks a little bit scary for the first time. By the way, believe me, it is simple. Okay, so first thing first, you have some scene here. I can just delete the scene, everything. So I can set up the screen recording from the beginning. So you have no scene here. By the way, we have a scene here on the left side, and it is the center. This is the preview window. Okay, so you have bottom here the timeline. So you have the scene and source, and then you have audio mixer and desktop audio, stuff like that, and scene transition, but you don't need to care about this. Okay, on the right side you have some setting for your screen. So first up, you have to select one scene here on the left side, and then you want to add source to the scene. So first thing, if you want to record the screen here, you want to add display capture. So this is a display capture. This is my window, okay, and this is my monitor. And the next thing you want to do, if you want to record the webcam, you have to add another one here. Click this plus icon, and then video capture device. So you need to have a video capture device, for example your webcam or maybe a DSLR to use as a webcam. I normally use the DSLR here, but yeah, if I turn it on, then my window will just close, so I will not record my webcam here. But if you want to, you can do it here also. Just add a video capture device here. Okay, and next up, you want to add an audio input with the microphone. Okay, so you can add or you can delete this one. For example, I can delete this one. Just delete this one, and I can add another one. So add audio input capture. So this is the audio from the microphone. Okay, so just click OK. And next up, you have to select the microphone. I have a Watermark MP1 Pro here, so I can select it, and then I can click OK. So you can adjust the volume here also if you want. Okay, so this is the audio from the microphone. And next up, if you want to record the system sound, you can add another one, and then audio output capture. Okay, and add. So select. Okay, select the speaker and click OK. And now you're good to go. You can start the screen recording. Just click this button, start screen recording. Okay, and if you want to just go with more setting, you want to click here at the setting, and there's some other option for you. For example, general, you can change the language to other language here. For example, we can select the video. So if you want to record in 1080p, you can just select it right here. Okay, for the audio and output and stuff like that, it will be the encode or stuff like that, but you don't need to care about them. Okay, just click OK, and then you can just start recording. Okay, hello, and now it is running. Hello everyone, welcome to another video on my channel. So I can minimize this window. Okay, so now I'm here, and if you want to go back to home screen, you can just click here at the home, and it is available for Windows and Mac OS and Linux. And now you can stop my screen recording. Okay, just click here and then stop. So we have the file already. By the way, if you want to see the file, you want to go to view or file, go to file and show recordings. Okay, and this is the file. So this is the final one. We can double click to play it. Okay, hello, and now it is running. Hello everyone, welcome to another video on my channel. So I can minimize this window. Okay, so now I'm here. So that's very good, right? You can just start a screen recording, and then you have a file and you can share it, you can upload it and share it to other people. So this is the first screen recorder you can try. If you want to just make a tutorial video or record gameplay and stuff like that, because it can record forever, no time limit and no watermark, and you can do live stream also. So you set up the same, do the same setup with screen recording, and then you can start streaming. By the way, if you want to start streaming, you want to connect your account. For example, here's my account. Okay, so this is my Vietnamese channel. So I already connected. You can select YouTube here, and then you have the key here. You want to input it, but I'm not going to live stream here. So this is my first recommendation about the best screen recorder for PC. You can try. And the next one, which is more powerful than this one. Okay, so you know the name, right? ActivePresenter. And this is the software that I promote a lot on my channel because they sponsor some of my video. Okay, and it is also free to use, and it is for Windows and Mac OS, and you can record your computer screen, and then you can edit your video, edit your webcam, edit your audio, and then you can export it to final output to make a complete tutorial video or maybe an e-learning lesson. Okay, so you want to go here to this website, atomisystem.com. I will put the link in the description for you. Okay, so go to product and select ActivePresenter, and you can read the information about the software. Okay, go to download and select ActivePresenter here, and then you can select the version for your operating system. It is available for Windows and Mac OS, so we can just download it for Windows, but I already have it on my computer, and now it is ActivePresenter 10. We include some AI tools. Okay, but normally if you want to just make a tutorial video like 10-minute or 15-minute video, maybe even 1 hour or 2 hours, you don't need to even purchase a license, because the free version of ActivePresenter is good enough for making tutorial video. So I already have it, so I will open it and wait for it. It is loading now. Okay, so I can close OBS Studio just to get more power for my CPU. Okay, so this is the homepage of ActivePresenter, and I already have the Pro version because sometimes I make tutorial video, more professional tutorial video. Or sometimes I also make e-learning project, so I bought a pro version of the software. But if you are here, you want to just click here at the record screen button. Okay, just click here, and now you have the toolbar here. Okay, so this is the recording toolbar. So first up, you want to select the screen. It can be full screen, or maybe an area on your computer screen. Okay, if you want to record just this part, you want to click custom. Okay, but normally I will go full screen. And next up, you want to select your webcam, and you can record your webcam separately, and then you can delete your webcam or hide your webcam or edit your webcam, stuff like that. But it is similar to the one that I'm using, so I would not use a webcam, but I can just select one of the webcam here, and I can turn it on. And for the audio, we have two options: audio from the microphone and audio system sound. Okay, for example, I can go with the audio from the microphone, and I can adjust the volume of this one. Okay, and I can record the system sound. By the way, I don't want to do that. And then we can click the start button. Hello. And there will be a countdown. Okay, now it is recording my computer screen. And if you want to download ActivePresenter, just go ahead to the link in the description. Or you want to purchase a license of ActivePresenter, go to pricing and select ActivePresenter. And they have standard license, which is $249 for one license, and ActivePresenter Pro, which is $499. And you have all the thing here. And just click the buy now button. And if you are a teacher or trainer, you can just go here with the Pro Edu license. Okay, so it's $249 for teacher and trainer. Oh, sorry, for teacher. Okay, so I can stop my screen recording. Just click here, and then I can find ActivePresenter here, and then I can stop. Okay, now it will create a new project for us. And you see here, we have an editing interface. So it is the same in comparison with Microsoft PowerPoint or other PowerPoint like video editor. And you have the timeline here, and you have the audio, and you have the screen. Okay, so normally we can play. Okay, now it is recording my computer screen, and if you want to download Active, that's nice, right? But another cool thing in ActivePresenter you can use in free version is that you can add the mouse cursor effect. For example, we can go to the screen here, just click the screen, and then go to the right side, which is the property, and we can find the cursor highlight. So it is the cursor highlight, and we can select circle. Okay, and it is in yellow. We can change it to red if we want, and increase the opacity. And now we have the highlight like this. And you can also add left click effect and right click effect, stuff like that. But I don't want to do that. Okay, so it is recording my computer screen. And if you want to download Active, and if you want to edit the video, just cut. You can cut and trim the video and delete the unwanted part here, and you can even add some kind of annotation. Okay, so there are many annotation here, like text and arrow, stuff like that. Okay, so you can do so many things in the editor. By the way, if you want to just record your computer screen, now it's time to just export the video. So we go to the export tab, and with the free version you can export it into MP4 and upload it to YouTube. But there is just a small warning here. It is for personal use. So you want to use it for commercial, you want to purchase a license of the software. Okay, so we can just click here at the video, and then we can just click OK to export. Yes, export it. Okay, so it takes a few minutes, and then we can open the folder. And this is the screen recording video. No watermark, high quality with cursor effect. Okay, now it is recording my computer screen, and if you want to download ActivePresenter, just go ahead to the link in the description. Or you want to purchase a license of ActivePresenter, go to pricing and select ActivePresenter. And they have standard license. Very nice, right? So these are the best screen recorder for PC in 2026 you can try. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you want to try any of them, just go ahead to the link in the description. I will put the link to download them in the description for you. Okay, so if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the like button, or just let me know at the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.